On say empempini na amanfo ta ka se Akufo betina so no we say wa bosia we Ghana no enye ekaketwa and sasa metibia na eye mesere menim say kan Ghana public debt na enipa bi omu here education on that na busia Dr. Domfeh abespozi Mahama any atamis chiremu say in the history of Ghana all per president o ma bo Ghana ka e ma be bo bosia pe say abosia na gu ho no mo a e kan Ghana ka ho a eye Mahama any atamis na fi tiktokers abe class with John Mahama mo tribunal to the wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mess was say ni demo obe like video no that ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be to the wadwen dey ama me e wo comment section that's also about so na share photo onya bi ahwe on say court for election mo no na media outlet no omu set agenda bi omu agenda nyina ne say da bia ne ye ka Ghana ye ka ye de aduru say ye bubu mu a Ghana ni bia e de ka we e traka ni bia te ho no onu mu say MPP government no Akufo na abegye da bosia no nyina ba na omu ntiremu say public debt no start free enkroma mo penso bosia obi a betena so ogeye ana aboabo no abeduru now but omuka Ghana ka aduru say ntromu kan in such a way say so you be a win understanding of that or if it happens to be someone who lacks understanding of public debt ya obedwene say ne e kan e bosia Akufo no betena Ghana kunya so obegye e je na obi aka say na MP for kamba burugu hodomo me just so kra wuta tibi e ya na emesile e kamba burugu hodomo ho na be buruka unim e kan be free eba enkro begye bi jeje begye bi kofo begye ne de atames begye bi we begye bi bosia obi agye ana beduru now but on several occasions e ya na ataka say Akufo ana bedi Ghana ewu na janto akwadi mutin na janto and obe bro Akufo be bro kagu ho as if say Akufo be na bosia Ghana neka na bosia bia ka bia ne Ghana yanim and ono nko be bro da bosia na ya bodini no bara bosia eno ana na Domfeh a oye senior economist in fact we PhD holder we be exposing Mahama any time to say in history of Ghana no open call for ma di Ghana e wo bosia ma o ma je bosia pa o Ghana ha no mo a e nipa mienu His Excellency the President John Mahama on the late former president Atames.
Debt. By the end of the year 2021, if you will permit me to go back a little, our total debt stock had ballooned to 60 billion. And if you want to use the nominal figures, the debt, I should say, in this year's budget, if you look at Appendix 10A of 2026 budget, most of what I'm saying are there. If you look at that, you see that our debt ballooned to 60 billion at the end of 2021. And somebody will ask, why did we get to that situation? We got there because President John Rawlings, after ruling for 19 years, left Ghana a total debt stock of $7.1 billion. Then after he left over and President Akufo came to take over, for 8 years President Akufo was in power, he did not add up to 1 billion to Ghana's total debt stock. And so President Akufo left and our total debt stock was $8 billion US dollars. $8 billion US dollars. In cedis at the time was 29.2 billion Ghana cedis. At the time, $1 was going for 4 cedis, 20 pesos. Fellow Ghanaians, what happened? 8 years after President Mills and President Mahama, Ghana's total debt stock ballooned to 29.2 billion to suggest that President Mahama Mills administration added 21 billion. I'm saying this and you are taking it. I want somebody to challenge. These are the figures available on the website of the Ministry of Finance, and I'm saying that the budget presented this year, Appendix 10A, you see some of these figures there. And so why did we get here? We got here because within 8 years that President Mills Mahama administration added 21 billion, it was very difficult servicing the debt. People say Akufo-Addo borrowed so much. Yes, but most of what he borrowed was used to service those huge debts. By the end of 2021, as I said, our debt had gone up to as much as 60 billion. And that was when Ken Ofori-Atta, the then finance minister, initiated what became known as debt restructuring. So through the debt restructuring, and I'm challenging all of you here, go back to this year's budget as presented. Page, let me not bring the page number, but let me say appendix 10A, that figure is there. And so you see that our debt was 60 billion. And after the debt restructuring, and our debt restructuring, it covered significantly the domestic debt, and also, I should say, Eurobond, restructuring. Now, after all this, by the end of Akufo-Addo's term, Ghana's total debt had declined to 49.3 million, December 2024. So what does that mean? Akufo-Addo took over the total debt stock at 29.2 and left it at 49.3. So Akufo-Addo in 8 years added $20 billion to Ghana's total debt. Mahama Mills in 8 years added $21 billion to our total debt stock. And so the misleading information out there that tries to suggest that Akufo-Addo borrowed more than President Mahama Mills is never true. Indeed, we don't have any government in the history of Ghana that has added so much to Ghana's debt stock. And I'm saying this, I want somebody to come out and openly and publicly challenge this. There is no government in the history of Ghana since 1957 that has added, in nominal terms, $21 billion to our debt stock, apart from Mills Mahama administration between 2009 and 2016. So Akufo-Addo nearly got where they were. When he added 20, they added 21.
Yes, and some Domfeh candidate. I don't quite sure of say in the history of Ghana. No. Mahama as president, on Kwani Nipa, less than a year, watch was more than $10 billion. Less than a year. Yeah, they try Ghana Kunya so 7th January 2025. As of January 7th, February, March, April, May, June. It's literally 5 months. 47th January every month. Literally 5 months. 5 months, Mahama borrow more than $10 billion. Because by then, Ghana public debt at $49.38 billion. Ghana public debt as of December 2024, another $49.38 billion. But as of June 2025, now I skyrocketed to $59.4 billion. Now say, in a scope of just 5 months, Mahama borrowed more than $10 billion. This is as of June. It was a Ghana had there was a comedian as well. TikTok is personal. Abe class with John Mahama.
Abosumi Dubako. Me say President ya wabon asa. His Excellency John Mahama. Penyah wabon pa wasa sabi woni mu hu His Excellency John Mahama. Yama one solid good year president Abosumi Dubako untimi mfa won sanchere one single policy, one single project waye de ama oman. Sasa bi me baye maye janan bia na oman pe ba bia janan a omonkoso. Abosumi Dubako kwafe His Excellency John Mahama. NDC yaban ehu sabi wo man se ye nkwasiafo because moba niema hoodin ejina eye Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo samoba titisika man nsɛmtwerɛfo adi ne wo moba sɔre anopa akɔtena radio station so sabi aka nsɛmhunu ne nkwasiasɛm akyerɛ wo man yamma wabosumi Dubako de kɔ afe ato aba ma wo sɛ mampani emfidi a negu Ghana kwan so nana do abandada His Excellency adwuma yi akwan ma omen mo ba ya na mo stop contractors ni nyina asesa mfidie especially Kofido sesa ne mfidie free Ghana akwan so samu ye nhwehwemu awie na o ma hye o madwuma ase ye kwa afini NDC aban timi mfa ne nsan kyerɛ sɛ akwan a na Akufo-Addo gusu ye no ye ba ye ya ye basafa ba ko ato aso da bi hospital ya agenda 111 ye beto ya akufu ado asibi awie ni aka ye mfidie de begum be ye adwuma matemamuni no John Mahama ye NDC aban entumi nkyere wo man se me baaye me tobentoa e de koto sa agenda 111 hospital ye wa hayimu da bi ontumi kan bi nkyere ye schools wa na akufu ado usie John Mahama ntimi nkyere ye se me baaye ma ton chance de yaboso da bi factories our no ankasa policy 24-hour economy ene adane 24-hour rest in peace his excellency John Mahama bae ontimi nkyere ye se adwuma na mesimi be bia ma mabuna ye bia ye no we ni ne meye da bi yetimi so ye hu gulan kurusem ni yakogina baabi ni yajeja nkokọ ama o matukọ soro ade ya lanche nkokọ nketenkete policy but ye hu fie bia mu nipa wo yin akokọ kuro mu ha da bi sabi NDC aban ye his excellency John Mahama ye ka kire mo ama ho daso ne mo de sabi mubu o mansi ye yankwasiafo because niemu ya politics some be dada o man because muhu ya say ye nimu nyansa mo be man santwrofo sikadi ne ya besisi radio stations so TV stations so sabi emu ma bi no aya yese somro aka nkwase asem ne nsem hunu agu yasum ya ka kire mo untumi medi mampani afe ni ya kire abra wuntumi nkyere ye one single policy project awaye se wo man dabi ya ti krom hansa ntwerofo o ka kire ye se o man yi mu adwo eno makofom enti wanya hwe kura eye ya nyankwada abra na obi kwaje bosia de ya kwan obi kwaje bosia de hwe ye ma school obi kwaje bosia de si hospitals na obi kwaje bosia na ode ye nuoma ahodo wo man mu oba ye abosumi du baako Ghana nsantwerofo se ye ma wo mere na emom abosumi du baako mu no waton wo man agapade ama wunu ye adwuma gi sika gu no botom His Excellency ye ma wo kwan Ghana enya wabusu agapade o man Ghana enya baako fo sabi ebotomu ade o man Ghana enya busunya property untumi medi wo man so na ye taxpayers money yemfa ntua muka na abosome poli du baako ye musa wo ne waye na wunyina ho mfa wonsa nu utirim ye ba sasi aso asimu so NDC aban so we ni mo botaya mo ba ya na mo threatening crofo say his speech na ene ye mo besoa ya gum mumyensa wam na mo nso ayemum bosome du baako mampani untumi nkyerɛ akwan basafa baako se we na me ba ya ma ya ato aso yeso o man mu adwo akufu ado aban ekɔ MPP ade ane ye ton 50 cedis bosome du baako ene eye 80 cedis kodwom kobusa nkwada pampers nom ko sanitary pad nom ko kodwom kobusa ni en kan kyerɛw enam ne atosode kodwom kobusa bosome du baako sa bere no se ne ye yesi tono mo ankasa mo mamu NDC members no kodwom kobusa ene ne yadru no wamansa ntwerofo sika di ti radio station ni TV station so sabi kansem hunu kyerɛ oman se who waste 4 years no kura no wanya bibia is enough all because of say obaye dollar kofo akufu ado kwaje bosia na wo de ya apan no the see schools na esisi hospitals abosumi du baako ye nyaamo enya hwe hanhwe mo dabi NDC aban ensi timu pe bibia ye kuro yi mu a mu pe bibi nye ne ye ka kire mo no
NDC aban no allocate $1.2 billion. Omode beto two presidential jets edema John Mahama. Ebusian for Ibisa John Mahama utu kwanya. How many presidential jets and odibitu kwanya? Ye to 2 and their man. If he's traveling, or better me no muna deako, and why don't we buy 1 instead of 2? Now, Abusian for the entire we abayan koma EDA because of say Bra finance minister ever be kind the budget, you know. I'll catch a Ghana Mabunu say next year, own to me and fan nurse for a teacher for. Why? Because there's no money. According to finance minister, there's no money. And to own to me and employ the nurses and the teachers are unemployed. But fast forward, Wakwa allocated $1.2 billion say yen fan top presidential jet and John Mahama because they want John Mahama to live like an Arab prince. And see, share the $1.2 billion na ye de koto airplane ama John Mahama atinemu na ebusuafo ebetumi afa Ghana mabunu no beye 4 million ejuma Ghana mabunu baako sa 4 million ejuma. If we have $1.2 billion, it can create around 4 million jobs for the Ghanaian youth. Sadly, NDC Abayano are prioritizing John Mahama comfort over the employment of the youth. We who the priority of the NDC government. It's very unfortunate, but if you are a youth, na owo my way more. Fashion would say aban we enwena mo. Aban we edwene kwan ya mbefa so on live comfortably like the Saudi Arabians. Comfort like the Americans and all that. But wo babunu na sabi otu omanu na onya adwuma no de, you are not part of aban and priorities. This is very unfortunate, but aba. So we cope with it.
Ubeto achire wadwe amame ewo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media Accra.